Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming where your app data was last intact and what backups exist. Open File Explorer and navigate to see /users/your name. Once done, check Recycle Bin and File History. Also inspect System Restore Points. If you have an external backup or cloud snapshot, note the date and size so you restore the correct version. You act now, don't assume success. Verify permissions and that hidden files are visible, so app data folders appear for the next. Once you can see app data, use built-in tools first. Right-click the parent folder, choose Restore Previous Versions or Run File History to pull the right snapshot. If that fails, run an undelete tool with admin rights and target the app data paths. When files reappear, copy them to a temporary folder rather than overwriting immediately. This preserves a safe fallback. Make sure file ownership and ACLs are noted, because you may need to reset permissions later for apps to read restored data. You finish by stopping the applications that use app data, then move the recovered data from the temporary folder back into C, /users/your name/app data. After copying, reset ownership and permissions so programs can access the files. Use Tacone and iCackles or the GUI Security tab. Restart apps and validate settings and data. If something still breaks, try a different backup snapshot or run System File Checker and chkdsk to repair system-level problems. That often resolves permission or corruption symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.